Morning class, how are you this morning? I hope you are fine, you are okay, you are well. Okay students, welcome back to Mr. Juan about computer subject. Especially today, Sir Juan want to explain to you about project in WordPad and Paint. Okay, what you have to do in WordPad and Paint, you can see here in WordPad, yeah. Later you want to type and drawing in Paint about input and output devices. I believe every student already know, yeah, have known about input and output devices because before we have studied about it. Okay, students, the assignment or the project, yeah, one will give two options, yeah. So one give two options. The first with computer or laptop, make a list input five devices and output devices. So, every students make list, membuat daftar nama-nama input devices 5, 5 ya, kid, and output devices, ya, nama list atau output devices itu dibuat 3 in Wattpad and draw one's devices each one of the two part. Jadi masing-masing kedua bagian itu satu kamu gambar di Paint ya Kit, di Paint. Oke, one input devices, one output devices. Itu di draw ya Kit with Paint. Okay, students, how about if student no have a laptop or a computer, you can choose this one with smartphone or Android. Yeah, same ya kid. You use JS Paint. Yeah, JS Paint. Please click this link. Yeah, click this link so you can go to JS Paint. And I give here the link, the tutorial how to do your project with Android or smartphone. Yeah. Students, after that, don't forget to save the file and send the file to my WhatsApp or email. Yeah, and email is juanra@gmail.com. And deadline on Tuesday, the 24 August 2021. I continue. Yeah, how to open Smart. You can click Windows accessories, click Wattpad. You can see this one, Wattpad here. Or you can type Wattpad in here. Windows search here. Yeah, somebody is search them from taskbar here, Wattpad. The next, yeah, after you type that, after you open Wattpad, you can see the window. Wattpad. You can type here 5 input device and 3 output devices. You can draw directly in Painting Pro. Yeah, you must know this kid. You open what type here 5 input devices and 3 output devices. After that, you can click this one if you want to draw. Jadi di Wattpad ini itu sudah bisa kamu langsung klik ini. You want to draw jika kamu ingin menggambar langsung. Ya, this is the result example. Ini contoh hasilnya. Sir Juan do in Wattpad. Type the example input device keyboard. Ya, kid. I draw in Paint ya, kid. Jadi Sir langsung klik ini, langsung ke aplikasi Paint, draw. After that, secara otomatis drawing itu akan masuk ke Wattpad. Continue kit computer mouse ya. I need only one ya. Sir minta satu input device gambarnya. But if you want to make more than one, it's okay. Output device. I draw monitor. You can choose which one is the easy one. Kamu bisa pilih yang mana yang paling gampang gambar. Because I only need one devices you want to draw. Ya, yang digambar itu cuma satu. And ya, I remind you again, if you want to draw more than one, it is okay. Setelah itu kita please save your file by your name. Click file and click here save it, and then save folder. Kamu pilih folder di mana kamu mau simpan di mana. Example, Sir Juan mau simpan di download, folder download. Ya, Juan type file name-nya. Don't forget type your name. Ini nama project, ini nama kamu gitu. And then click save. After that, don't forget it send to my WhatsApp. You can click here, type Mr. Juan, find Mr. Juan. Before I explain, this is key. I want to explain this. Save by your name in anywhere. That is already saved. And then send the file to Mr. Juan's every student send your file to my WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp web in this way. I hope every student have open your WhatsApp with your laptop or computer. After that, this is you can click here and type here my name. Number 2, you click this one, click and then choose this one if you want. If you can search your file. Just now Sir Juan save in download, click here, and I have my name, and after you choose your select, pilih, click open. After that, don't forget to click this one to send your file to my WhatsApp. You already click this one. Okay, students, Sir want to explain to you about the Kriteria project. This is a project skill, keterampilan, keahlian kamu untuk megang komputer atau menjalankan komputer. I give you 50 version, and kreativitas 30%, and content you can. Okay, students, Sir want to remind you again, don't forget to finish your project deadline on Tuesday, 24 August 2021. Okay, I believe you can do it as good as possible. Okay, just now we click start button, and then we start Windows. Sorry, we want to open here again, and then we find Wattpad. Wattpad is one kit. Okay, I already have one. Or we try from this kit, like plus, Sir Juan try from here. Click here and type Word. Okay, you can see this one, and then you can click. Okay, we type input. Okay, devices 1, a keyboard, 2, computer mouse, number 3, camera, number 4, digital camera, number 5. Uh, okay, next, output devices. Number 1, speaker. Number 2, monitor. Number 3, printer. Students, you can make it color jacket. The example you can this example you want to make color and bold, you can change the text up to you ya kid. And also this one, if you want to change the type of letter and make it good as possible. That's your creativity ya kid. Kreativitas itu Juan akan din. And then I just now I make you draw one. Kamu gambar satu dari input itu, dari output itu ya kid. And draw one of them. Each of them one. Masing dari mereka itu satu. But if you want to draw more than one, it's okay. Ya. Itu ada juga nilai. Just done the example. I choose the easy one. The easy one. Sir mau gambar yang paling gampang. Yeah, example, I want to make a computer mouse. I want to draw computer mouse. You can directly click this one. Okay, you can directly click it. Ya, ini paint lagi. Langsung paint. Kamu klik. Okay. Now you can make it bigger, ya. Yeah. And you can draw here. Example, just now I want to draw. Okay, then I choose this. Okay, and then I okay, and then I want to make this one. Okay, and then I want to make the cable. Example here from this is pen. Okay, students. This is oh yeah, and then I want to make the color. The example. This one. I want to make this one. Okay, student. I want to make the color blue. This one can. Okay, the students. Example. You already want to make this one. Okay, you can select. So with this kan kit ini kita kecilkan lagi. Okay students, coba now we minimize ya kita kecil. Lihat di skit otomatis kan kit ada di ini kan kit. Now we want to draw from example output. I choose monitor kit. I think this is easy one. Click again paint drawing. Yeah, now we want to draw monitor. I think this is okay. Then to draw here. Okay. Oh, I'm going to undo. Okay. And then I want to make the color. Okay. And then Okay, students, and then don't forget to make it this. Okay, we try ya kid, kita minimize kan. Ready kid. Ready kid, so easy ya kid. One input device, and this is one output device. Monitor, I think that is one, and this is mouse computer. After that kid, don't forget to save file, save. Yeah, Serjuan want to save in download. Yeah, and then I make the name my project. But later you make your name ya kid, namanya di sini ya kid, and then don't forget save. Ingat ya kid, disimpan di download. Ketika nanti mau ngirim ke WhatsApp, kamu nggak sulit mencarinya. Ya, klik this download and then file name-nya my project. Ini contoh ya kid, save. Okay, and then now we go to WhatsApp. Yeah, this is web WhatsApp. I already open, and then you search here the example. Yeah, kid, I want to send my project to my wife. It is here. Oh, and then I want to, after that I choose this one, and then I click this one, tampilkan, and then choose this one. Okay, just now we save download ya kid, di download. Yeah, this is my project. You can see here my project. Click select ya atau di, and then open. Ready kid. After that you click this one. Wow, ready kid. Finish kid. In your project have finished. Jadi kalau udah begitu kid, artinya project kamu selesai kid. Okay students, I think enough my explanation about your project. I hope every student can do it as good as possible. Thank you kid. See you later.